Hi, this is Arpit Nagriya from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn Transition Parameter XPath. So I'm switching to Tosca, then Project, Settings, then T-Box, Engines, X Browsers. Here you can see that enable XPath identification. The value is true. So by default in Tosca the value is true. If it is not true, make sure that the value is true. That means you are enabling the XPath identification. I will close this. So I'm going to scan one page, which is demo webshop page, and select one control there. So here I will select login link and then uncheck all the technical IDs parameter and select the transition parameter XPath. So here you can see that the control is uniquely identifiable by XPath only. So I should save this and close this. Then I will drag this module into my test case. Then I will run my test case. So you can see that it is clicking on the login link and moving towards the login page. That is how we can use XPath as in transition parameter and to use the XPath to uniquely identify the control. Thank you.